If you're looking for a 4K dashcam, in today's video we're gonna test this ROVE R2-4K. This is a dual channel dashcam. The front camera is a 4K resolution and the rear camera is 1080p resolution. So today we're gonna test it, we're gonna see how to use the app, and we're gonna see how good it is. Coming up next. Okay, and this is everything that comes inside of the box. Comes with the manual. It's pretty big. Has a lot of specifications, how to use the camera, the app, everything is in here. Alright, comes with the stickers to place the camera on the front. For the rear camera, it comes with the memory card, 128 gigs, some warranty and quick guide, and this is the camera. It's a 4K, has the screen, it's cool, menu on the bottom. The rear camera, it goes on the top, the cable, and on the side is the power connection. You can turn it on and off in here if you want, and has the slot for the memory card in here. And the speakers, a reset button, and the microphone. This is the rear camera, the connection is on the side. You can adjust it depending on the view, like this. Serial ladder connection, USB-C and USB-A plug. Some clips, extra clips for the cable to hide the cable. This is the power cable. And this is the cable for the camera. It says in here, rear camera only. And it comes with an extra cable to connect it to the computer. This one is a shorter one. Trim tool. And this one comes with two. This one is a double-sided tape to place it on the window, on the windshield, or a suction cup mount for the window. I do prefer this one better because when the window it gets too hot, sometimes the suction cups mounts they fall down. So the double-sided tape I think is better. So in this one you have both options, this one and the double-sided tape mount. And it comes with some cleaning wipes, two of them. And that's everything that comes inside of the box. And I got this extra accessory. This is a hair wiring kit. This is to keep the camera recording 24/7 if you want the camera to record all the time. So I got the polarized lens for the camera. Okay, I just connected the camera. The rear camera goes on the top and the power cable goes on the side, this one. Okay, already asked me to format the SD card, so I just click format and it says successful. But now it says set up the time zone. Okay, EMP setup. Okay, so this one is always -6. Okay, next factory default settings. Okay,
video mode. Recording started.
This is ready. Cool. Okay, the camera is already installed. So let's start with the menu. It has 5 buttons on the bottom. This is the menu. So the first button is to select the menu. Let me show you.
Recording stop. Video settings.
So these are the video settings. And if you click again,
system settings.
This does the system settings. Okay, let's go back to the
video mode. Recording started.
So this is the video mode. So the second button is to mute the audio, to turn on and off the audio.
Audio recording off. Audio recording on.
Cool. And the third one is to lock the video. If you're in an accident, press this one and it will lock the video and it won't erase it. Okay, I'm not gonna press it right now because I don't want to lock the video. And the fourth one is to switch the camera. Look at that. I have to align the rear camera. That's the front camera and this is the rear camera, and then both cameras at the same on the screen. Okay, and the last one is to turn on and off the recording.
Recording stop. Recording started.
Cool. So that's everything for the main menu here on the buttons on the front of the camera. Now the next one, let's go to the menu.
Recording stop. Video settings.
These are the video settings. The first one is the video resolution. You can select the 4K for the front and 1080p for the rear and 2K for the front, 1080p for the rear. For now, I'm going to leave it 4K on the front and 1080p on the rear. That's good. And then the next one is loop recording. So 1 minute is the default. 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes each video. Okay, so I always like to leave it in 1 minute because it's easier to download the video and it's shorter to select the video. Okay, so 1 minute is okay. The next one is the G video recording G sensor, for the G sensor. Okay, let's go see that. Trigger medium, 6, 7, 8, high. No, this one leave it in low because everything, if the camera shakes, it will lock the video. So let's leave it in low. Okay. HDR it makes the video look better when it's day or night. So for now, let's click it on. It's on. It's on. The exposure, leave it in 0 auto. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it in 0 for now. Time lapse recording, it's off. Yeah, it's off for now. Video compression, no, I don't want. H.264 or H.265. For now, I'm gonna leave it like that. The bitrate. The bitrate are the colors of the video. Sometimes they are 8 bitrate or 10 bitrate. So I think we're gonna leave it on the standard. 24-hour parking mode. For that one, you will need a hard wiring kit. I already have one. This one, it will keep the camera on all the time. But if you don't have a hard wiring kit, this one, it won't work. Parking mode G sensor. Let me see. It's an S. Okay, that's good. Audio recording, we already showed that one. Video stamp, the date is on, the speed is on, the GPS location is on, and the logo of the camera, you can turn it off if you want. Okay, and then speed unit, miles per hour. Okay, that's good. Then the next one, let's see, hide the status icon. Let's see that. Off. It's okay, I'm gonna leave it off for now. Speed compass. Okay, that's good. We'll leave it like that. Rotate the video. No, maybe if the rear camera is upside down, you can rotate it here. And that's it. That's everything for the video recording. Let's go
System settings.
to the system settings. The Wi-Fi is off for now. The Wi-Fi, you will need it to connect the app. We will do that in a little bit, okay? And then Wi-Fi mode, 5 Hz or 2.5 Hz. It's on 5 Hz. That's okay. Format the SD card, okay, but I don't want to do that. The first time you have to format the SD card, because if you don't format the SD card, it won't start recording. If the SD card is not recording, format it and it will work. Date says 10/27/24, 349, I think. Date format, let's go here. Month, day, and year. Yeah, that's good. Next one, time zone, 12 hours. It's okay. Oh, this one, I think I have to go 4, 5, -7. Let's see. Oh no, I have to -5. Okay, alright. So now the next one is a screensaver. If you want to turn off the screen, right now it's always on, or a screensaver on, or LCD off after 1 minute. I'm gonna put the LCD off after 1 minute. Because if you leave it on, sometimes this will get too hot. The brightness is on high. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it because the screen is gonna turn off. The beep sound, yes. This one, off. Yes, off. A speaker volume, it's too high. Let's put it in medium. Okay, and then voice guidance. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it off for now. But if you wanna turn it on, right there. Okay, now the next one is the Wi-Fi voice guidance. Let's see that one. It's on. Okay, I'm gonna leave it on. Boot up tone on. Feature do you choose? The shine when the camera turns on. Yeah, off. I don't like that. I want it quiet. License plate. If you wanna put the license plate of your car, you can put it there. So I don't wanna do that. Frequency 60 Hz USA. Okay, that's good. Okay, and then GPS info. Yeah, it's okay. We can leave it on. GPS format. It's alright. LED status. You can turn it on and off. I think it's this light in here. For now, we're gonna leave it like that. Storage space. That's what we have on the SD card. Okay. Next, default settings. This is for the default settings. You can click here and make everything to the default. So all the settings that you have, it will go back to the factory settings. For now, I'm gonna leave it like that. Customer care, I think it's the info of the company. If you have any problems with the camera. What else? Legal. Yeah, that. System information. about the camera, everything. And that's everything. Okay, so now let's download the app and let's see how it connects to the camera. Let's do that next. Okay, this is the app. We have to download the ROVE dashcam. Okay, this one. And then we have to turn on the Wi-Fi on this. Let's see how to do it. It's turning on, menu, and then go to the Wi-Fi, off, on once, and then the Wi-Fi is on. Let's open the app. Open the app. Would like to send notifications. Nah, I don't need notifications. Wi-Fi range 10 meters only. Okay, understand. I have to log in. I have to make an account. Okay, let me log in. Okay, so now I'm logged in. So we have to put a continue. Find connection to device network. Okay, allow full access. Yeah, because we need to download the videos. Now it says add a device. Okay, it should connect. It should find this one. Add a device. Turn on the Wi-Fi. I already did that. Yes. I have to go to the Wi-Fi settings. Okay, I'm on the Wi-Fi settings, and this one is the ROVE R2-4K. This one. And then put the password. I think is the password, the same password as all the dash cams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Join. We got it. Cool. It's connected. And then yes, go next. It's connected. Yes. There's an update for the firmware. Okay, let's see. Yeah, but no, I don't want to do it right now. Okay, so what's next? Connected? Update, man. Okay, it's updating. Have to do that. Okay, it's updated. It's updating over here too. Okay, turn it on and off again. And then it says, congratulations, next, restore the previous settings, yes, alright, we're ready. And then in here on the app, I have to go connect to the ROVE. We have to reconnect the Wi-Fi. After I update it, I have to connect the Wi-Fi once. So now it's connected. Remember to turn on the Wi-Fi after it's updated. Okay, it's on. So let's see if we can see it here. So here, let's connect it. And now it's connecting. Yes, I can see it here. Look at that. Okay, so this one is the same. The settings are the same that we did on the camera. Okay, let's see real quick how to use the app. Okay, here is you can switch from the front camera to the rear camera in here. Okay. So you can see it better here. You can switch from the front. Let's leave it for the front. Video mode or photo mode. But for now, we're going to leave it on video. Here you can stop the recording or start the recording. Okay. In here you can mute the audio or turn on the audio recording. Okay. So that's everything in here. Now, this is the live. This is the dashcam videos. Okay, here are all the videos. You can download the video here and it's downloaded. Ooh, it's super quick. But I don't want to download it right now. Okay, so just click this blue icon and it will download the video. This is the front. This is the rear camera. Here you have the vents. I don't have any vent lock videos. Photos. I don't have any photos, but I just installed it. Okay. And this is the main. On the bottom has the live view. The next one is for the videos to download it. Okay. Local album. Oh, this one is for the cameras that you can install. And then on the last corner here, these are all the settings. But we already did all these on the camera. So everything in here is the same on the camera. Okay, and now let's test the camera. Let's see the video's resolution for the day and the night, and let's see how good it is. Let's do that next. Okay, and this is the debut for the front camera. The front camera is a 4K resolution, but as you can see, it looks pretty good. The colors of the video is great. Resolution is very good. I can see the license plate, I can see the cars, super good. So everything is good for the front camera. As you can see, it has all the information for the speed, location, date, everything is great. I like it. I approve it. Okay, and this is the debut for the rear camera. The rear camera is 1080p resolution. So it's a big difference from the front to the rear. So the front is a 4K. So this one 1080p, the resolution is a little bit smaller and it's a little bit more blurry than the front. But you can still see license plates, the cars. When the car gets closer, it gets more visible and you can see everything pretty good. So for the day, I think it looks pretty good. It's alright, and I like it too. And now it's time to see the night view for the front camera. It's a 4K resolution and it looks amazing. Look at the view. It looks pretty clear. It has a night vision, this one. Not all the cameras they have night vision. This one it does. As you can see, everything is super clear. I can see the cars, I can see everything pretty good. It's very nice, I like it. So for the night, it looks great. I like it a lot for the front camera. It's pretty good. Alright, and now this is the night view for the rear camera. Rear camera is 1080p resolution. But as you can see, it looks great for the rear camera. It's pretty good. It has a night vision too. And to be a 1080p resolution, in my opinion, it looks pretty good. It looks very good. I don't know how they do it, but it looks clean and clear. And the night vision works amazing because the glare of the lights of the car, it doesn't affect that much, and everything looks super clean and clear. So for the rear, the night vision and the view is great. I like it. Okay guys, and this was the ROVE R2-4K. So this camera is a 4K resolution for the front, 1080p for the rear. So it's a 2-channel camera, dash cam, and it will fit any car or vehicle that you have. Okay, the link for this product is gonna be on the description of the video. If you like it, now that you already saw the view for the front and the rear, the day and the night, you can decide if you want to get this camera. Okay, so let me know what you guys think on the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one. We have more giveaways coming. Okay, thank you for watching. God bless you, and see you on the next video. Bye. Okay guys, it's time for the giveaway, and for the giveaway we're gonna give away this camera that is over here, and the rules are super simple. You have to be subscribed to this channel, you have to like this video, you have to put a comment in this video, okay, and this is only for the USA, okay, and the winner is gonna be announced on the next video. Okay, so good luck guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of the videos, and if you want to know if you won, hit the notification bell. So the winner is gonna be announced on the next video. Thank you for watching, God bless you, thank you, and see you on the next video.